Okay. Okay, guys, in today's video, we're gonna be doing random stuff in this new map. By random stuff, I mean showing you the Buckwin stashes. Even
Okay,
though I
wait,
don't
wait,
know
wait.
where they are.
Come with me. Of course, everybody has this one.
Yeah, everyone can
That's
find
the
this one because
next
it's just
to
easy.
one.
I just haven't played yet, that's why I don't have it.
Okay, come up.
Because I want to be original. Most YouTubers, they play the update and then they make a video. I always make my video when I first play it.
And next one is
Feels
actually
more
right
real.
where the music discs are.
Oh, I didn't even see this.
Okay. Okay, now next one, let me just put on. You just go here. And there will be a button right here.
Right there, right there. Oh, and we got tagged with it. Wait, didn't there used to be an underground pass down here in the original version? Oh yeah,
Look.
underground pass. That's a secret
Okay, now.
little passage and it takes you over there.
No, you should stay
Oh,
somewhere
I almost
right over.
missed. I almost missed.
So there
Wait,
should
what?
be a buckling stash somewhere here. Like, look.
Oh, there, got it. Right there, guys. Right in the middle there.
Okay. Now let me just.
It's 3, so we just need 2 more. There should be one on the red one, I think. No, I think there'll be one on the red one.
No, wait. Come with me. Come with me.
Wait. Where? Where are you?
Down here. Down here. It was somewhere in one of these pipes. I hope. Gotta just check. Ah, here.
Oh, we found it. So right up there.
Yeah.
That's it. Really hidden.
I haven't collected that.
Where's the last one? Was that a boat floaty? Was that a boat block or something? Looked weird.
No, I think there. So 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I gotta go to
No, that's all 5. That's all 5.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 4.
No. 1, 2,
3
up there.
4, 5. Oh yeah.
5.
Where's the new items?
Like we got the zone copier here.
Where? Oh, we got the zone copier.
And
people have been requesting this for ages.
Yeah.
What?
And
Where's
the
the saw? Where's the saw?
in the chainsaws in snow biome.
Snow biome?
You know
Maybe the zone copier, because I've always wanted something like a zone copier. Or do you have the normal copier? Can you place the zone copier in public maps? Dude, does this zone copier work in public maps? Oh.
No, you firstly gotta copy the wilds map. You wanna like copy the zone of. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the snow biome.
No, not right now. Let me just do something.
Alright, well, I'm going to snow biome. We have a mend it, isn't it? Wait a minute, it's construction stuff out there. Wrong way. Jeez. Okay. X-Lock. Oh. 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 Yeah. Where is it? New shore is supposed to be. Alright, let's get it. I'm trying to see if the mini glitch works. And if it's even still in the game, because I haven't tried it for. Alright, let's do some cleaning up. We're gonna go see if any of you guys. Any of you guys. One shot's anything. Unlike the bat, just one shot. Oh. Okay. Didn't touch it. It's just in here. Oh, okay. Now let's see if any of you are playing my code.
I love your accent.
This.
I think I got your lungs. Especially amazing. Hold up, watch me hit the
Okay.
Give me something better
please
than
check out
this.
my
Alright, well, I
construction
gotta
job.
go to
I
my
got you,
community
bro.
code for my video.
The white
But
sheep.
if anyone in
Oh,
the
not
comments
good. Yeah.
I can't do pet.
Why is
I can
If
only
you check
do
out the
look.
construction job I give you my child, right? Just check it out. Cause I've been like,
let's summon in the mushroom guy? Come on.
No, we're gonna summon in my chainsaw.
No, we're gonna summon in the mushroom guy.
Hey, you're
Bro,
the not
that-
nice guy.
that is
you're
so
the not nice
untough.
guy. You're the not nice
I don't care that I'm not the nice guy. I'm cool, boy.
That's Aura. That's Aura. All right, guys. Look. We're gonna summon in the
Chainsaw.
mushroom guy. Summon in the mushroom guy.
Tree.
This is the summoning process, by the way.
Yeah, I can do that.
Hold up. Stop it. No. You're ruining it. You ruined it.
I fucking hate you.
You ruined
Hey.
Cry about it. Cry me a river and build a bridge.
I want the fade. I want
I want toast. He's buns. You're cooked. Oh my gosh, it's only a big leg. Oh, that's I want to say.
Watch this cool war backflip, ready?
I need my pin, dude.
Yeah, it's on you.
I'm chucking this out of the.
Alright, just gonna clear some stuff up. Honestly, why did I say I would come in and see if any of you are here? Yeah, they're stupid of me. Dude, why would any of you do this? I'll be refueling Muffin now. Haven't been on. Just make my life in this way. Oh, just wait. I gotta. Where's my camera? Yeah. I forgot. We're in generators are coming. Ready? No. Oh. What's wrong? My bad. My bad. Very careful. No, Clank, not doing it wrong. Bad guys didn't have, but